Welcome back, mini champions! Oh no! 5 special champion badges have disappeared! To find them, we must complete 5 sporting challenges with Frankie Frog, Leo Lion, Katie Kangaroo, Ellie Elephant, and Marco Monkey. Our first badge is hidden near Frankie Frog's golf course. Frankie must find the yellow golf ball and hit it into the hole. Can you help him?
Hello, mini champions! I'm Frankie Frog. Oh no, I can't find my golf ball. Can you help me find it? Not here. Not here either. Where could it be? I found it! What color is my golf ball? It's yellow. In Italian, yellow is giallo. Can you say giallo? Let's count together in Italian. 1, 2, 3.
Fantastic work! Frankie found the yellow ball and completed the golf challenge. We earned our first badge. Now Leo Lion needs us at the tennis court. Let's go!
Hello, mini champions. I'm Leo the Lion. I have my racket, but I need to find my tennis ball. Can you help me? I'm looking carefully. Can you see the tennis ball? I found it! This is my tennis ball. What color is it? The tennis ball is green. In Italian, green is verde.
Great job, Leo! We now have 2 champion badges. Our next challenge is waiting in Soccer Valley with Katie Kangaroo. Let's go and see Katie!
Hello, mini champions! I'm Katie. I love playing soccer. My favorite fruit is an apple. Oh, the apples have rolled everywhere. We need to get them back into the basket. Let's use our soccer skills. We'll gently kick the balls to roll the apples back to the basket. Can you help me? Ready? 1, 2, 3. Great kick! What fruit is this? That's right, an apple. In Italian, apple is called mela. Let's say it together. Mela.
What a great kick, Katie! Katie also found an apple. Apple in Italian is mela. That makes 3 champion badges. Next up, Ellie Elephant's Garden Bowling Alley.
Hello, mini champions. I'm Ellie. I love growing vegetables. My favorite vegetable is a carrot. My carrots are stuck. I have an idea. If we roll the bowling balls, maybe we can help the carrots come out. Can you help me? Ready? 1, 2, 3. Haha, we did it!
What vegetable is this? That's right, a carrot. In Italian, carrot is called carota.
Strike! Ellie completed the bowling challenge. Carrot in Italian is carota. We now have 4 champion badges. Only 1 remains, and Marco Monkey is waiting in Banana Jungle.
Mini champions! I'm Marco. My favorite fruit is a banana. Oh no, my banana is stuck. Can you help me? Let's throw together. 1, 2, 3. We did it! What fruit is this? That's right, a banana. In Italian, it's also banana. Banana. Excellent. Can you jump like a monkey? Now swing your arms. Balance on one foot.
We found all 5 champion badges, but we have 1 final challenge. Can you remember which animal played golf? Frankie Frog. Which animal played tennis? Leo Lion. Who completed the soccer challenge? Katie Kangaroo. Who completed the bowling challenge? Ellie Elephant. Who completed the throwing challenge? Marco Monkey. Mission complete!